Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon,
Yes,
ma'am.
good afternoon. Good afternoon.
You, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
So, fine, thank you. So, children, term 1 it is over. Now, term 2 we want to start it. In that one, first chapter, composition of air. So, in term 1, almost all chapters were based on our organs, our body, isn't it? Isn't
Yes,
it? Yes. And in term 2, that is all about environment, our environment, surroundings. Okay, about air, water, like energy, like that, these all things. So, are you ready for knowing about it?
Yes, ma'am, ready.
Okay. So, yeah, take your rough book.
Yes, ma'am, it's take and opened.
Okay, you opened it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so here, first take your rough book, write page number, lesson 8. Today's date, what is that today's date?
21/10 to
20.
10.
20. Okay, so write it like that.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
lesson 8, composition of this is the chapter number, chapter name, composition of air. Okay, so here before starting itself, you got a new word. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, at the beginning, is if we know that spelling, then only we can learn the name of the chapter, then the content of it, isn't it? So, Rex, can you help me? Can you please tell me the spelling of composition?
COMPOSITION.
Okay, COMPOSITION. Okay, so first new word, composition. Rida, read the spelling of composition. Children, note down this spelling one time. After this class, you should learn and write and learn. Okay, Rida.
Yes, ma'am.
Rida, tell me the spelling of composition fast.
SCOMPOSITION.
Okay, so Diya, can you please read the spelling of composition so that that time they can use it for writing, not writing this spelling.
Ma'am,
Read it. Read the spelling of composition.
COMPOSITION.
What is that word?
Composition.
Okay, composition. So, do you know the meaning of composition?
No,
Yeah. Composition means what all things it contain. Okay, what all things are there in air. That is what we are going to discuss in this chapter. Composition means what all things are there in air. Okay, clear? Composition, the word meaning. Yes, Agnes. What do you want, Agnes? Agnes. Agnes Wilson. Agnes Wilson. Okay. Yes. Why did you raise your hand?
ma'am.
Why did you raise your hand?
Listen properly
So, sorry?
because of my neck issue.
Okay. So here children, composition means what all things are there in air. Okay, so that is what we are going to learn about it. And here we can see, see, what is air? That is what I want to ask you. Okay, Pranav Vishnu, what you know about air? Pranav Vishnu. What do you mean? See, no need to open your textbook. What all you know, you have to tell that one. Yes, Pranav, tell me. What is mean by, what do you know about air? What all things you know about air? Neharika.
Air has strong wind.
Neharika. Say, okay, if you know, please raise your hand. Don't unmute. Okay. Neharika.
Air is a wind.
Air is wind. Somewhat okay. Any other? Any other? Air. Yes, Agnes.
Ma'am, the air helps us to give oxygen.
Okay. Why we need oxygen, Agnes?
To breathe.
What is oxygen? What is oxygen? Can we see oxygen? Rishit. Yes. Okay. Wait. Rishit, what do you want? Yeah. What all things you know about air? Tell me.
Air we have breathing and we can have the wind.
Okay. Air.
We are tired. We can get the air to wind.
Okay. Nora Joseph. Okay, Rishit. Got it. Nora Joseph.
Air is all around us.
Air is
all around us.
Okay. Is around you also? Nora, you are sitting alone there. Is that air is around you? Is that
air will be everywhere.
Air will be, or what you told? So my question, you are sitting, I can't see anybody there. I can see only you, your chair, your door behind it. So do you believe that air is around you? Yes, very good. You should confidently, you should say. Okay, see, Agnes will say, everyone is sitting alone. Even you can see me also here, isn't it? But I am not alone. Who is there along with me? Surrounded by me. Air. Air is there. See, Season's hair. He kept one fan there and he is arranging his hair. His hair is, how it is? It is moving, right? Wait, I will tell. Okay, Season, thank you for keeping fan like that because I want to, somebody told air is wind. See, Agnes, Niranjan, Rex, everyone is sitting there, but their hair is not moving because they are far from the fan. Isn't it? Yes. But Season kept the fan near to his face. That is why it is moving. And he is getting a lot of, what it is? Air, isn't it? Okay, wind. We can say it is wind. So, when air is all around us. Everyone, around every student or the person, air is there. But Season used that high speed. Season moved that air in high speed by keeping a fan near to him. So the air around the Season is moving. Clear? The air around Season is moving, but all others it is not moving like that. So moving air is called wind. Clear? Moving air is called wind. So yesterday, day before yesterday, the climatic condition, it is very bad. In channels and all, you can see the strong wind. See, around 40 kilometers, the wind will be around 40 kilometers per hour. So when you see this, when you see the, it is showing it in the channels that coconut trees are dancing. Is it like a, dancing. Dancing means it is not a classical dance and all, but it is, somewhat, which type of dance? High speed dance. Yes, isn't it? High speed. Yeah. Why these coconut trees are moving so fast? Because wind. Because of wind, that means air in the atmosphere is moving fast. moving fast, that is called wind. High speed wind. See, just when you are, when the coconut trees are there on the path of that moving air, high speed moving air, the coconut trees can't control itself. And it may sometimes fall down. Isn't it? The same thing. See, children, when you switch on the fan, if you are keeping it, Krishna Raj, listen here, when you are keeping it on your regulator in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likewise we can increase the speed, isn't it? So if you keep it on number 1, will you get enough wind, enough air?
No, ma'am.
When you increase the speed of the blades of the fan, the movement of the air around you will increase. Am I correct?
Yes,
Movement
ma'am.
of the air around you increases, so that you are getting so much wind. Clear? So when you increase the speed of the blade up to 5, wow, you will be very, see, like Sishan. He is getting lot of air, wind, isn't it? Understood, children? So air, moving air is called wind. Air is all around us. From the air, we can breathe. If air is not there, if all the air from this room is taken away, will I survive? Can I survive here? Can I live here? Can I live? If all the, it is a room, it is a classroom. Okay, this is a classroom. So if all the air in this classroom, if it is removed from it, do you think will I be able to live?
No.
No, because I won't be able to breathe. If I am not breathing, I can't live.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
get the air from the tree.
Okay. So in air is around us, but can you see it?
No.
But you can feel it. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can feel it. Okay. See, does it have any color?
No.
No. It doesn't have any color. Yeah. Is it air has any shape or size?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so air is something that surrounds us. It doesn't have any shape. It doesn't have any size. It doesn't have any color. We can't see it, but we can feel it. Am I right? If air is not there, enough air is not in a place, means we can't live. We will feel suffocation. Isn't it? So, like that. Say during the power failures, if during the night, if the power is not there at your home, will you be able to sleep properly?
No.
If inverter is also not working, you won't be able to sleep properly, because you may feel something, air is not like that.
We don't breathe and we don't
Yes,
sleep.
Okay, so at that time, sometimes your mother will take one paper or paper fan or something, and she will move the air. So you will get wind, isn't it? Yes. So what she is doing, she is actually moving the air here. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. So now you understood moving air is called wind. Now you also know air doesn't have any color, size, shape. We can't see it, but we can feel it. Okay. Andrea, you can do that all things after that. Okay. So from the air we get oxygen. Okay, from the air that we get oxygen that we require for our life. That oxygen we are taking into our blood. Okay, when we breathe, what it is actually happening? When we breathe, air around us will get it into our nose and reaches to the lungs. From there, that oxygen from the air, oxygen from the air is taken into the blood, So if oxygen is present in the blood, then only we will get energy from the food which we eat. Clear? Why you are eating food? Always a question. Why you are eating food? To get energy.
Yeah.
Yes. So if we are not breathing, if we are not breathing, oxygen will not get it into our blood. Okay. Oxygen, say Risa is, Risa, do you feel sleepy? Okay. So when we are not breathing, oxygen will not be taken into our blood. If oxygen is not there in the blood, energy will not be produced. Okay, clear? That is why we want to breathe. We want to take oxygen. So, the air we can't see, but oxygen is there. Can you see around me any oxygen?
No.
I can see Roshid's Binoy's, behind Roshid Binoy, his sibling, isn't it? But can you see? Now he left. Now can you see anyone behind Roshid now?
No, ma'am.
No. But air is there. Oxygen is around him. But you can't see, isn't it?
No.
In the same way, the air contains a lot of gases like oxygen. Have you heard about gases, Krishnaraj? Gas. Did you hear about the word gas?
Ma'am, the fact is no. As gas come.
Okay, cooking gas. Are you saying about cooking gas?
And we can.
Okay, are you saying about cooking gas? Okay, that is also a type of gas. Okay, cooking gas is there. Adnan, say properly. Cooking gas is there in the cylinder. Using that gas, we can cook food. Okay, good. That is also a type of gas. Okay, hydrogen balloons. Do you like hydrogen balloon? Yes, in the balloon, hydrogen is filled.
Yes.
Isn't it? Can we see hydrogen? Can we see hydrogen there? No. But we can feel when the balloon gets into lab. Yes. So in the same way, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, then carbon dioxide. You already learned carbon dioxide. Yeah, what do you know about carbon dioxide? What do you know about carbon dioxide? Who can tell me? Niranjan, just let me give chance to Niranjan. Yes, have you heard about carbon dioxide?
Yes.
Yes, where you heard?
Breathe out.
Breathe. Oh, very good. Well done. We are breathing out carbon dioxide. So, my question, is this carbon dioxide is useful or harmful for us? Harmful. Okay. We don't want it. But some others, it is for some others it is useful. To whom it is useful?
Yes.
To whom it is useful? Who is using carbon dioxide? Very good, Niranjan. Excellent answer. Plants. Okay, plants, this carbon dioxide, plants are absorbing and they are preparing food.
And the fish.
Yes, preparing food. So oxygen, we want oxygen. We will breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants take this carbon dioxide and they may produce oxygen. These all things process are going on. But can we see carbon dioxide coming out of our nose? Can we see? But we can feel. Just keep your finger on under your nose and breathe out. Breathe out and breathe out. You can feel. Yeah, air containing carbon dioxide.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when we most and us have carpenter muscle.
So here children, we learned air is around us. Then air, in that air oxygen is there, the carbon dioxide which we breathe out, that is there. See, just to check, you can see me. I am breathing, wait, I am breathing in oxygen. Can you see oxygen or air?
No.
I am breathing out carbon dioxide. Can you see that carbon dioxide?
No.
But these all are there in the air, isn't it?
Yes,
So we can say air is a mixture of gases, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. These are called gases. Okay, these are called
Gases.
gases. Okay, so we can say air is a mixture of different gases. Write it, children. Let me take another color. Okay, which color you prefer?
Green. Light green.
Red.
Light green. Light green.
Okay, this color I will take. Okay. Enough. So write it. Air is a mixture. Air is a mixture of different gases. See, after this class, I am sure that you will get tea or milk and along with that mixture also. Isn't it?
Air is
Wait, mixture. So, is that mixture is like the snack which you are getting for getting in the evening mixture? So many peanuts, so many different.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it that one?
No.
No, you know. See, why that snack is called mixture? Because so many different things are there in it, isn't it? Peanuts are there, different shaped. Yes, Niharika.
Can you please show the board?
Niharika?
Can you please show the board?
Yes, I will show it. Okay, wait. So children, so that means that snack contains so many different things. That is called a mixture. Okay, so in the same way, this air contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, then hydrogen, nitrogen, like these all gases. So we can call it as air is a mixture. Air is a mixture of different gases. Okay. So here it is a question. You can expect a question. Dash is a mixture of different gases. Sishan. Dash is a mixture of. Yes, air is a mixture of gases. Okay, Serafina. No. Aiden Rojo. Aiden.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. Air is a dash of different gases.
Mixture.
Okay. Anna Mary. Air is a mixture of different dash. Okay, so 3 questions answer you got it from this single sentence. Isn't it?
Yes,
Isn't it?
ma'am.
So learn this and write it, note down this point and learn it. Okay. Next one. Then next one we can learn gas. Okay, here we learn the word gas. So what is that gas? Okay, gas. Gas is same like air.
Maybe you want to write?
Yes, next one. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Gases are, can we see these gases, children?
No. Yes.
No. Okay. Gases are substances. Substances that can move around us. That can move around freely. Gases are substances that can move around freely. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, you can see around me gases. You can't see, but still I am taking the oxygen, carbon dioxide I am breathing out, isn't it? But we can't see. But we can't say that as we can't see, there is no air. We can't see. Air is present. So gases also are like air. It is a mixture, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So gases are substances. Underline this word. You have to write and study. Substances. Anunya, say the spelling of substances.
SUBSTANCES.
What is that word?
Substances.
Okay. Emmanuel, read the spelling of substances. Emmanuel, read the spelling of substances. Okay, you are not clear, it is. Okay. Mute it. Yeah, Suhana, read the spelling of substances.
SUBSTANCES.
What is that word? Substances. Okay, Heaven, read that spelling and read that word.
SUBSTANCES.
Substances. Okay. So here I am. It is these gases don't have any color, size, shape. We can't see them. They may occupy all available spaces. Wherever it is getting space, they may occupy it. Okay. So children, see, this is my here in this case I am keeping my specs. Okay. So here you can see my specs is there. So when I am keeping my specs here, what is inside this case? My specs is, isn't it? I am taking my specs and keeping it down. Is it anything in this space, in this case?
No.
Okay. But we can't say no. Air is there. Okay, air is there in this case. We can't see. But once I keep these specs back into the case, the air from the case will go out and will give space for the specs to occupy. Clear? Is it clear? So, wherever it gets space, the air will occupy that place. Clear? So here we can, now I will give examples of gases. Okay, examples. So spellings also you need to study. Oxygen. Then give me the names of some gases fast.
We have to write.
Carbon dioxide, isn't it? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Yes, nitrogen. Okay, mute your audio. Nitrogen. Okay, so these are the sum of the Then so many others are there: hydrogen, helium, sulfur dioxide. Yes. These are so many type of gases are there. But we are learning in this chapter, we are learning only the important gases in the present in the air. Okay. So oxygen is very important, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Carbon dioxide is not that much important. Wait, let me.
Ma'am.
Yeah, nitrogen and oxygen. These are more than carbon dioxide in air. Okay, so underline oxygen, carbon dioxide, these all spellings you need to learn. Okay, write and study these all things. So, gases are substances that can move around freely. So, Andrina Joby, if somebody asks you, what do you mean by gases? How you will answer it? Oh, again. Aryan, yes, how you will answer that question? But now there also network issue. Okay. Abel Rinson, tell me, what do you mean by gases, or what are gases? Unmute and say the answer. See it? Ramin, what are gases? What are gases? Wait. Oh, why you are not saying the answers? Risa? What are gases?
Gases are substances that can move around freely.
Okay, once again. Oxygen or not organ, oxygen. Okay. Okay. So one more person. Chinmay, switch on your video.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this is Janita. Examples can second example.
Carbon dioxide. That is carbon dioxide. Write it, okay?
That is DIOX.
Yes. Let me clear it, okay? DIOXIDE. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, okay. Here I can't see these all students' videos.
And can Nihariga read?
Okay, Neha. Yes.
Gases are substances that can move around freely.
Okay, very good. Examples?
Oxygen, carbon dioxide,
Nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen. Okay, so here, let me take that attendance. Okay, children.